Hi, it's Don with Don Sanders Marketing and the sales training website sellpromoproducts.com. I want to talk to you about selling in the healthcare industry, which is the largest buyer of promotional products. More than 12.4% of items that are purchased are bought by clients in this industry. That makes up more than $2.5 billion in sales. There are more than 784,000 different companies that you can call on, and the majority of them expect increases in their healthcare premiums due to the Affordable Care Act. A key statistic which you need to remember when selling these people is that for every $1 spent on promotional products, the return is $3.27. So, if I'm reading that right, they spend $1, they get $3.27 back. I believe that's a 327% return, which is a very impressive statistic. You must be selling this market. A good thing to be selling them are doormats. Doormats are purchased by nearly every hospital that go on the front door or inside the front door. Retirement communities, assisted living centers are big buyers of mats because they have to have these at their front door to line up wheelchairs or walkers when residents go in their facility. So that's the first item I want to talk to you about. The second would be rescue whistles. The real problem with female assault these days, nurses go in and out of dark garages during shift changes in the middle of the night. Devara makes a rescue whistle that if you blow it, it will scare the bejesus out of you. It is so loud, I will not blow it now. You should be selling this to personnel or to volunteer programs at hospitals. A lot of senior citizens are volunteers at hospitals. Most of them are over 60. They need something that can make them feel safe. It's a great item. Another item that every hospital, every healthcare provider has are badger tractors, but they maybe have not seen germ-repelling badger tractors by Devara. Every time you put your hand on it, the badger tractor, it will not spread germs on to the next time it is touched. Another neat item are magnets, bag tags, etc. from Quickie. They make a full line of healthcare products that are suitable for anybody in this industry. I've sold a lot of napkins. I bet you haven't thought about paper products to healthcare providers. When my ex-wife's mother-in-law, not mother-in-law, my mother-in-law lived in Parkwood, a retirement home, we sold them paper napkins and dining kits. So they were actual kits with paper plates, cups, etc. with Parkwood's logo on it. Dorothy liked to eat barbecue, so my ex-wife would go get barbecue, take it over, take her out on a picnic. Parkwood was kind enough to give this to her, and it was just a great reminder of how they cared about her. I bet you haven't thought about selling these products to retirement homes. It's trying to make you think about some different things. Wellness magnets are another item. We're going to introduce these wellness programs, or when companies are going to introduce them to their employees, they need something to give away that has tips, like 5 tips for good eating, 8 cooking tips, etc., etc. Wellness magnets are a great introduction to healthcare wellness programs. Now, safety is paramount in wellness programs because if you're safe, you don't get injured. Every 8 minutes in America, a pedestrian is struck by a car. Usually these accidents are serious. You want to drive up healthcare costs, you have somebody go to the hospital. Sometimes these are astronomical bills. Reflective shoelaces, arm bracelets, stickers are something that companies can buy, give to their employees who walk their dogs late at night or who exercise in the morning. Safety is paramount in wellness because if you keep people safe, then they won't get hurt. Now, here's an item I want to show you that I bet you haven't thought about, which is a stadium cup. I'm showing you one with the Ford logo. Doesn't have a healthcare logo on it, but I just went to the hospital and had some eye surgery done. They kept filling up a styrofoam cup or bringing me a new cup every 10 minutes with water in it. Wouldn't it have been neat if they'd given me a 16, 22-ounce cup with their logo on it with a straw and a lid? Wouldn't have to use so many styrofoam cups. When I left the hospital, they could have given me that as a takeaway gift. I'd still be using the thing today. So I'm just trying to give you a little thought process of thinking of an item that you've probably seen a million times that you can show healthcare providers. Now, Coaster Stone makes coasters, which are good for spills, just like the cup with the lid to keep from spills. Coaster Stones are self-absorbent. Get some samples of these. I'm showing you a flyer right now from Coaster Stone that they'll put your logo on. You can mail this flyer with a sample of the product. You can also email this to your customers in the same format. Warwick also offers flyers for breast cancer awareness. Breast cancer awareness is a big item, or a big, not a big item, it's just a big thing in healthcare. These are flyers that they'll straight line type your logo. So if you don't have a logo, don't use the excuse you don't. Not to be mailing things. Warwick, Coaster Stone, other suppliers will set the type for you, and that way it gives you something to get out to your customers. Badges, back in the day when we sold a lot of promotional products, we were selling 4,000 and 5,000 piece badge orders. That's the way we had our volume up. We couldn't do it just on selling new orders all the time. We had to have repeat orders for our backup. ID Line is who I recommend for badges. They also have flyers with that can have your logo on it. But they also do all types of badges for hospitals and healthcare entities. They also do a badge release program, which is a program where you buy the badges up front. Your customer pays you for them. ID Line will open up a website for you or a web portal, and you go to that and you enter names of people as they're given to you. You email them or you enter them into the site. ID Line pulls the badges, puts the personalization on them, and sends them to your customers. So you don't even have to fool with it. So there are some products that I'm recommending for healthcare. If you hold on for the next slide, I'll show you how to get a hold of me. If you'd like to have samples of these at no charge, happy to do it for you. Please get out there and sell this industry, and I really thank you for listening. Bye.